Kind of an exciting day for me. I'm going to pick up or take a look at an anvil. It's a 200-pound anvil supposedly made here in South Australia, and it's an hour and a half north of here. So we're going to head up and be there at about noon. It's a big fog here in Hallett Cove. Real foggy. It's been foggy for 2 days. I don't think I've seen a fog like this here before. He's not driven in it.
300 meters, turn left onto Lonsdale Road, A15.
So we've come quite a ways already, but this fog is just thick. It must be really general all over the coast. We're going down Brighton Hill, and good grief. Must be even thicker down in the flat, down the hill here. Oh, city life. Traffic, trucks, buses, lots of lights. Well, they got this place all ripped up. That's why you make a freeway, I guess. Finally, proper freeway now. Good scenery, finally. Still got a ways to go. So we're here. There's the anvil right there in front of that forklift. Oh, it's a huge thing.
Look, isn't that what you wanted?
I am going to see. I think this weighs 200 some pounds. A little bit of the history. You were worked at the foundry where this was made. Nice.
Yes.
Nice.
Solid rock. Yeah, so there's no cracks or anything like that.
What was the name of the foundry again?
Yeah, Mackay, Australia.
Mackay, Australia.
Yeah, Ralph Mackay.
And they're gone now, I
Yes,
guess. So
yeah,
this is about 60 years old, you're saying.
Yes.
Okay, I'm
At a guess,
happy.
it'll be more, if anything. Yeah.
Appreciate it.
There was rare, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's.
Is that the original paint, or
No.
So it would have been
I think
painted.
that was one of the.
was that like
machinery-
company colors?
Yeah, no. Green used to be a common machinery colour because it's supposed to bring about calmness.
And it does, yeah.
Yeah. So like blue and red are also a little bit more aggro, but green is like, oh.
I would think bashing away on something on a big chunk of iron would make you pretty calm anyway.
That's why I think, you can see, I reckon I painted it when I first grabbed it.
Ah, yep.
Because, normally in foundries and sort of hot ironwork, everything ends up being black.
Yeah, sure. Or rusty.
Yeah, that's right. And that was including our lungs and nostrils.
Yeah.
So tie it down really well, because once it starts moving, it won't stop.
Will do. Yeah,
But then,
that's good. Okay, I'll get up some ropes.
it's one of those things you never have to replace.
No, for sure. It'll outlive me and everybody I ever knew.
It's stuff that I've been selling, even like vintage bits and pieces, doesn't only go up in price. You know what I mean? So like, even if you want to sell it now, you could probably whack another $200 or $300 and just make money straight away. But I reckon if you kept it for another 10 years, that'd be worth like $2 grand because
Yeah.
you just can't get them.
There are companies, actually I was looking online, they still make them, but
Right.
but they're like, where this is around $6, no, this is around $3 a pound right now,
Right.
Australian.
Yes.
Or US dollars, it's $4.50 something Australian a pound.
Okay.
But new ones are $6 to $8 a pound,
Yeah, right.
roughly. Yeah.
Okay.
So, but they still make them. In fact, I was following one guy, another YouTube guy. He had contacted his own foundry, and he's starting to have his own made. but he won't tell you what they're costing. So I reckon they're around $4,000 for something this big.
Wow.
So, and that's US bucks. So.
Oh, well, at least I reckon this is better. It's got a good history.
Yeah, for sure, for sure. This has got age to it.
Age hardening.
Yeah. Well, I'm hoping that we'll fix it in place from sliding around too much. Might have to readjust later if it gets out of control. Well, there you go. One anvil. Nearly home now. Fog is back.
You can't. Here, you can't. Here. Turn it on.
Cutting down a tree. Road okay? I just did the calculation. The scale was set up in kilograms. That's 125 kilogram anvil there. That's 275 pounds. So I paid her around $3.30 a pound. Now, you can pay as much as you want for an anvil. This one's not perfect. It has edges that are kind of rounded off. But I think a new anvil would be easily 4 times more than this, especially one that's 125 kilograms. So I think I did okay. I'm just going to give it a clean up. The paint job is something that they put on, the guy painted it himself. I don't like the green paint. And it just looks dirty, so I'm going to clean it up. On this side, there is evidence of numbers. Looks like a 5. There's something there. So that's the old measurement of weight. And it's just, I'm just going to clean all this up and see if I can see those numbers better. I think this is evidence of an old repair. So it's been welded on it, perhaps. I'm not sure about here. Maybe. But it was done a long time ago because this green paint was done 20 years ago. And the green paint goes into it. So it's an old repair, if at all. I got lucky on this anvil. This is a Wright anvil. What it says here is, it's a P-E-T-E-R, Wright, patent. That makes this a valuable anvil. I can see a 2, 2, 5, and I don't know what that means. There's an R and some other letters that have gotten mashed. Now that's this patent. There's something there as well. I got lucky on this anvil. This is a proper, good quality anvil from the old days. Okay. So, I'm really happy with this purchase. I have a cheap anvil inside, and I'm not a blacksmith. I just wanted an anvil that didn't move around. Heavy duty anvils are hard to find. Old ones are, you get a better price. I get a new anvil, but for what I do, I don't really need an expensive anvil. Having said that, this one cost quite a bit. But then it is 275 pounds, and it's an old one. The fellow who I bought it from, he reckoned it was made at a foundry up there near Gawler, South Australia. But this here is saying Peter Wright on it. I don't know if that means it was made with permission or under license, or was this imported to that foundry and he just assumed it was made there. At any rate, this is a Peter Wright. I have to figure out what the numbers are, 225. And I'm quite happy with this. This is a good deal. Even though it's kind of beat up, it's not that bad. There's some damage here. The cutting edge here is kind of dished. But along the edges, yeah, there's wear. But at the end of the day, it's not horrible. So this is a decent anvil. For what I need anyways, this is really good.